Bro, crazy, bro. Straight movies. Y'all ready to see it, bro? Come on now. Papi, tira chipa.
Wow.
Hey, yo. What's good, bro? Look, I'm gonna make this video short and simple, bro. I'm just here to tell you, bro, happy Independence Day, happy 4th of July, you feel me? Like, we ain't really did nothing crazy to this year, bro. We like, feel me? Like, shit been going on, bro. Shit been happening, bro. Fuck, man. I'm sorry we ain't do nothing crazy for y'all today. Psych, nigga! Fuck is you talking about? Grr, bro, nigga. Trying to get active real quick, bro. You feel me? There gotta be some short shit, some simple shit, but we trying to get right. You feel me? Y'all already know what's up. Grr, bro, nigga. Come on now. Stop playing with it, bro. Trying to get right. You feel me? Ain't no more talking. We trying to just do this shit. And I just wanna let y'all know too, bro. It's 4th of July, bro. This content, bro, this time to spend the day with your family and your loved ones, man, your friends, everything, bro. So make sure y'all tell your friends, your homies, your girlfriend, whatever it is, your family members, y'all love them, bro. And spend time with them, bro, because y'all already know what's up. You're only here to spread positivity and good work, bro. You feel me? So, like, just go out there and do you, bro. With all that said, we out, bro. We trying to go turn up. Yeah, y'all told us a movie, bro. I'm telling you, we finna get active for real, for real. This shit finna be a movie. Okay. See, I thought it was a game, bro. Alright, we're gonna get you right. Alright, dame a buscar los otros. Boom, boom. Watch. Boom. Done, done. Boom, boom. Fuck, yeah. Fucking see? Yeah, I thought it was over. Look, I'm telling you, it's movies, bro. Let's see. Put that shit out right here. Ooh, shit! Boom. Sheesh. Oh, it's movies. Straight movies, bro. Come on now, y'all see it. Grrr. Damn. Black 9 the cut. You see? Boom. There. I got it there. Okay. Then. Bro, crazy. Damn. Oh, it's crazy, bro. Straight movies. Y'all ready to see it, bro? Come on now. Bow. Ooh. Damn. Oh, that ash is landing on me, bro. Damn. Ooh, damn. Boom. Pow. I ain't gonna cap, I'm gonna have to watch that Black Knight after this, bro. Come on now. Grr. Stop. Punta para arriba, vamos allá. Down.
Yo quiero una de estos. Yo quiero una. Get away. Get away. Oh my God. Eso nada. Eso nada. Eso nada. ¿Cómo? ¿Qué es el ratón feo?
Boom. ¿Ya?
Mami, mira.
¿Tú sabes que botaste Pikachu?
No. ¡Pikachu!
Pow.
Oh my God. Mami. ¿Tú verías que
¿Qué hace uno? Deja que alguien haga uno.
no está aquí? Ajá, yo sé. ¿Por qué no está aquí?
Papi, tira chispa.
Dejaronme. Wow. ¡Woo!
Ok, venga. Vamos a ver si no se vaina.
Yo buena cosa.
Cuidado.
Cuidado, échate para atrás, Abby.
¡Un rocket ship! ¡Un rocket ship!
Alvin.
¡Mira, ya está en la sierra! ¡Rocket ship!
You feel me?
Mami.
Permi.
Tíralo, Abby. Ven, Chichi.
Sí. Ya va a ser como...
Lo tira para allá, Chichi, ¿ok?
Ya sabes.
Tíralo.
Yo quiero coger una de estos.
Ven.
Okay, I'm scared. Nothing is gonna happen.
Ok. Lo tira para allá, ¿ok? Lo tira ahí.
Okay.
The fireworks go to us. You either be.
Oh my God, mommy. Estamos close.
Ven. Lo tira de una vez para allá, ¿ok?
Si ella lo tira para atrás, le va a caer a ustedes.
Espérate.
Tengo miedo.
Tíralo.
Tíralo, tíralo.
Give me one. I want another one again.
¿Quieres así?
Yeah. Wow. Ow, pie. Ow. No se estaba en la line.
Arriba, Alvin.
Aquí. Abby, casi comete.
Ok.
I mean,
¿Quieres, Joely? Ven.
I want wait.
Lo tira de una vez para allá, ¿ok?
Tíralo
This
de
is
una
the
vez.
line.
No.
No, aquí. ¿Cuánto vas? Me está manchando mi cabello. No.
Tíralo, Chichi.
Ay, mami. Ay, mami. Can I get one?
Joely, di que Joely, Jerry. Toma, Joely, ven, tira uno. ¿Tú no has tirado?
Yo estoy.
Lo tira de una vez de que yo te diga, ¿ok? Tíralo.
Okay, me again. I did it by accident. I did it by...
Okay.
I didn't thought about that. I did it by accident, okay? Yo estoy online. Hey.
Tíralo.
Ay, yo, mami. Se va por ahí. You
Okay.
cover my ears.
Tíralo, Abby.
Tíralo. Mira para el carro.
Dale,
Ven, Chichi.
papá.
Tíralo, Chichi.
Close. Va por ahí. Fuego y...
Boom. Well, you feel me? That's gonna be that last one, bro. Cause for me, we was supposed to get right. You feel me? 4th of July type shit, like just get by with the family, Bobby shit, some crazy shit. You feel me? Like, and that's gonna be it, bro. So if y'all fuck with the video, bro, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. You feel me? We out. Grrr. Hey, yo, bro. After that, bro. After y'all seen that lit ass fireworks, bro, we finna go get some pizza for the kids. You feel me? We finna go get right with them. Feel me? Just on some cool shit, bro. Like, it's all about having fun, family time, bro, and just having a good spending good time with the fam, bro. Feel me? So I'm finna go get that shit and just stay tuned, bro. Shit finna be a movie, bro. On God, word too. Appreciate you. Let me see. And then let me put this shit in the back. I appreciate you. Have a good night.